So once we've generated that prediction data set, the last thing we want to do is actually link that data back into GIS so we can visualize the predicted results. Okay, so here in GIS I have my OCT locations. The first thing I need to do is import my prediction data set as a delimited file. So here it is. So I want to import that as attribute only table, no geometry. And here's my POID, and here's my prediction value. Click OK. Okay, so now that text file is in my QGIS document as just a data table. I can go into my OCT places, go to the Joins tab here. I can join this prediction data set by specifying here to this shapefile by matching the POID data, right? And this is why it's really important to keep that place ID consistent and to re-export it back to your data set, because it's actually the way that GIS is going to relate that point to the prediction value. Click OK, that joins here. Now we can start to visualize these points based on the prediction. We go to Style, go to Graduated. Now that prediction is going to be here. You can see the syntax here. It's predicted POID. This is my data set underscore prediction. This is the value that it's bringing in from that join. I'll just change some of the styling a little bit. Apply the quantiles equal count. So you see here, this is the classification. And just to make this a little bit more legible, I'm going to change the size scale based on expression relative to the number of check-ins. So we can see both the classification of what places are contributing more to those popular OCT words, and also the size related to how popular those places are in general. Okay, click OK. We can also do things like set multiply, blending mode. We can also change transparency of both the whole layer and also the individual symbols. Okay, so that's our final kind of map, and you can think about what this means in your analysis. Basically, it's kind of showing the places where the comments that we found to contain the most words that were specific to OCT, such as creativity and OCT itself, are really focused in just some of these locations, like the main check-in for OCT, which is the most popular, also these gift shops and galleries up here. Okay, and you can follow the same exact process to predict on any locations in the city. You can take a subset from another neighborhood. You can take all the locations in Shenzhen, and basically you just want to run it through that model the same exact way I've done here. The only difference is, instead of using this OCT data as your prediction file, you can use any other subset of place IDs from the city to do that prediction.